Okay, question 6 is one of those scary integration questions where they don't just ask you to integrate something and find a value. They tell you the answer, and you've got to go back and work out the missing value, which here is a limit. So in order, we can start the question though. Don't worry about starting it up, even though it looks a bit weird. If we integrate this, integrate 6e to the 2x, we get 6e to the 2x again. We're going to need to divide by the coefficient of x here, which is 2. Integrate an x is obviously x squared over 2. That's between a and 0, and we get an answer of 42. So we've got 3e to the 2x. Well, let's put our limits in. Let's say that's 3e to the 2a plus a squared over 2. Take away what we get when we put 0 in. When we put 0 in, we're going to have e to the 0 here, which is 1. So we've just got 3. 3 plus 0 equals 42. If I get rid of all the brackets, I'm going to say that that is equal to 45. And what we're looking to do is get an a. We're not trying to make a the subject because we've got an a squared in here. So this a squared is probably this a squared here. So I'm going to double everything, then divide by 3. So let's double everything next. Yeah, well, no, let's not double everything. They had a sixth here, so they've not doubled anything. They've divided everything by 3. Because this is just a case of trying to get to what they got to. There's loads of different things you could do from here, but it's a case of getting to what they had up at the top there. So if we divide by 3, that will give us e to the 2a plus a squared over 6 equals 15. If I move this a squared over 6 to the right hand side, we'll get 15 minus a squared over 6. And if I now natural log both sides, I'll get 2a equals the natural log of 15 minus a squared over 6. And then our last step is now to divide by 2. So we're going to get a equals a half of the natural log of 15 minus a squared over 6, or a sixth a squared, which is what they had.